Hi, I'm Caroline, a punch needle tutor and artist. Today I'm going to show you how to thread a punch needle. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Today I'm going to show you how to thread your punch needle. Use the white tab of the threader to push through the wire end through the hole in the tip of the needle. The wire end should appear at the base of the handle. Split the threader and put your yarn in between the wire. Pull the threader by the white tab to bring the yarn through the handle and out the needle. Take the yarn out of the threader. Now you need to push the yarn through the hole on the side, taking the threader from the outside to the inside. Pull the yarn from the handle to reduce the slack to about 5 centimetres. For more punch needle techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.